Yo, what is going on? So this is how to convert Hamster Coin to USDT on Tone wallet. So the first step, of course, to ensure you have a Tonekeeper wallet. If you don't, make one and link it to your Telegram wallet. After that, you're gonna receive Hamster tokens. Make sure to complete the Hamster Coin airdrop tasks, including linking your Tonekeeper wallet, receiving Hamster tokens, and yeah, just have some Hamster tokens. After that, you're gonna access the exchange widget within your Tonekeeper wallet. Click on exchange widget and select Hamster from the list of the available tokens. Exchange Hamster to USDT. Since Hamster is a relatively new token, you may need to exchange it for another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or a stablecoin like USDT before converting it to fiat currency like USD or euros. In this case, exchange it to USDT. And then after that, you're gonna choose a sustainable exchange. Look for an exchange that supports both Hamster and USDT. Some popular options include OKX and KuCoin or other reputable exchanges. Initiate the exchange. Follow the exchange instructions to initiate the Hamster to USDT exchange. Be aware of the exchange rates and you're gonna verify that transaction. Once the exchange is complete, verify that the USDT have been deposited to your Tonekeeper wallet. Additional tips: keep your Tonekeeper wallet up to date and enable two-factor authentication in case you lost your wallet. You can get it back, and that is it.